What's up guys, back with another video, and today I'm just going to show you all my vehicles and off-road outlaws and everything. This is my first truck. I call this the mega truck. It's the Ford dually. Next vehicle, got the X3 Can-Am. I really love it, it's really fun. Next up we got the Renegade. Don't look like one, but I wish they made a Renegade, but I just call it the Can-Am Renegade. Got the old Honda Rancher. Snorkeled. Got my Can-Am trailer. Got my Ford Power Stroke diesel. Got my Yamaha Grizzly. Got my Honda Talon. Got one of my barn finds turned into a truck. I saw this truck on TikTok, real life truck, so I thought I could build it. Pretty nice. This is my Monster Energy vehicle. It's a really fast racer. My mud truck, one of my mud trucks, is really fun. My Jeep is really fun to play with in the mud. My hot rod, this thing is really fast, almost hits 200. One of my mud trucks. Monster Max here from Whistling Diesel. Took me a while to get it right and everything, but did pretty good. Got one of my mud bikes. We'll zoom across the mud real quickly. Just to let you guys know, it is me, not anyone else. This is not a YouTube video. Just to let you know. So, there we go. Got one of my friend's mud truck I built. It took me one of my TikTok videos. It's broken right now, but he blew the motor up. But my other Can-Am, this thing's really fun. Braden Price's GMC. Another four-wheeler that I built. A truck that I saw in my local in my town, so I started to build it because it was pretty cool. My squad truck, another truck I just built. This is from Hobbs and Shaw, and that hot rod I told you about is from Hobbs and Shaw. My Super Duty truck, and guys, come back for part 2.